Good morning, 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 wherever you are in the world. Okay, so I am gonna be preparing lunch quite early today. It's now 9:51. I don't know if you can see the time. 9:51 a.m. and I'm preparing a big lunch dinner to share. So I'm gonna show you what I'm preparing and take you through the process. In the pot we have tomato, onion, garlic, thyme, black pepper, and it's come to a boil, and salt. It has nice flavor, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the washed rice I have in the pot. And bring the flame to medium heat for 20 minutes and we should be good to go after 20 minutes. I'll take you back and we see what yumminess we have here. Today I'm preparing lunch. Almost every day I prepare lunch, but today I'm inviting over 2 people to join me for lunch. One is celebrating their birthday and also get to know each other a bit more. And so I'm gonna prepare the plantain until they get here. It's now 11:46 p.m. No, 11:46 a.m. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the plantain until they get here. It's gonna be just Daniel and I, it seems like. So we have ground beef with veggie, pickle, rice, lettuce, plantains, and drink agua del dia, which is strawberry, passion, and ginger blend with a bit of sugar, no, honey, sweetened with honey. I hope it's sweet enough. Birthday celebration. It was simple. It wasn't as exciting as, you know. I don't really feel like just got off from my siesta after having a wonderful lunch dinner with the ladies. Now I'm heading off to yoga. Have you waited for a long time? Órale!
Just breathe.
Thank you. Bring it back to the center. You're dropping down to the other side. Nothing changes, just let. Give yourself a nice deep stretch, fingertips to toes dip. Fold both knees into your chest and roll onto your right side. This time moving slowly by your body. Away. You're ready using your hands to lift yourself up, and you're going to come back to a seated position on your mat. Just as we start, hands nice and gently on your knees. Stand tall. Bring your hands together, prayer position in front of your heart. Taking a moment just to thank yourself for showing up here on the mat tonight, for trying something new, something that seems silly, and just enjoying the journey.
Full moon is up.
Sorry.
Da, 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 da.
Yes.
Just got back home from yoga. It was fabulous, in my new jacket from my girlfriend. She gifted me this week. Daniel told me about the yoga and I'm happy I went. It was fabulous. It was good. It's been a long time I haven't done a group setting and it was incredible. I felt more pain than if I was doing it at home myself. So it was good being back out among people doing yoga in a safe way. And so that's pretty much how my day was. Food.